At this point, we're going to review the automatic edge detection tool for measuring a radius and the radius tools. And as seen with the other line and circle tools and such, there are the same types of tools available, like the rubber banding tool, the box tool, and the range tool. So the first tool that we'll review here is the box tool. So when we click on the box tool, that allows us to rubber band or crop out an area that we'd like to measure a radius with. And so we hold the left mouse down. When we let it go, it will automatically look inside that box and create a radius as well as a center point here to the radius. So that would be our first radius. And as you can see in the feature window, arc number 1 is displayed, and the dimension for arc number 1 is displayed in the measurement window, the radius, and it'll also give you the arc length if you're interested in that. So we'll come on down to the other box tool, and this is a nice tool. This allows us to click and create a box so we can define exactly where we want the edge detection to look within that arc. And when completed, so we left clicked on each one of those points, and when completed we right click, and that will give us an arc or a radius within those two endpoints, using the middle points as a best fit radius. Last but not least is the range tool. And so the range tool works the same way as the circle tool, but in the range tool it allows us to click on 3 points around the arc. I'll come a little bit farther out here and say I want you to look within each one of those areas there, and then it allows us to stretch or create the range or zone that we want the edge detector to look in. And again, just to review, if we click on this line, the arrow will shoot, the red arrow will shoot inward. If we click on this line now, the arrow has come down here and will shoot from the dark to the light, which might be a better selection for this range tool to calculate a radius. So when I'm done, if I right click, it will automatically fire all the points and create the best fit radius within that range. Now, to just see those graphically, we can come back up to the graphic video toggle button, and you will notice that there is center point radiuses here for the first radius or arc that I measured, and then this one was a much larger arc, so the center points are down here. So arc 2 and 3 are centered down here. So if we wanted to know the distance, we could calculate those distances as we have in the past using our geometric measurement tools. So this will give you a feel for how to use the arc automatic measurement tool.